Now that you've added your animated title sequence, it's time to add end credits. To do so, go back up to the Add Text button, and this time go to Static, and scroll down until you find the last one, which looks like this and has the word Sources at the top of it. Click on it and choose Add. That's going to add it up here into your media. Click and drag it down to the very end of your video track, and then double click on it to open it up and edit it. You can delete what's already there by clicking in the box, pressing Ctrl-A to select all, pressing the backspace key. Then switch over to your story map and copy your first credit from the label down to the file extension of the image, which is generally JPG or PNG, not always, but usually. Copy that first credit. Now switch back over to WeVideo and paste. And make sure that everything fits. Now you can see that not everything fits here, so the word kids is cut off over here, and so is photos and a few other things. So the first thing I can do is try to extend this box a little bit. Drag this to the left, drag this to the right, but it's still cut off. I'm missing the word animals, fish, and the H and the dash before the P. So another thing I can do is simply change the font. Maybe pick a smaller font. So I'm going to try this one called Cabin. And that actually, I think, oh, not quite. So if you can't get everything to fit after just pasting it, what you want to do is find one of these slashes. And so I'm going to find the slash that's closest to the right side here. So it's between animals and fish. And I'm going to go over here and click directly after that slash, and then just press Enter to push everything down on to the next line. And now you can see everything fits nice and neatly there. Okay. Another thing you can do to make this look a little bit better is to highlight your label and make it bold or underline it, or both. Then, once you have your first one done, press Enter, go down to the next line, and switch back to your story map. Highlight your next label and your next address, copy that, and return to WeVideo, paste it on the next line, and repeat that same process. Can you see the entire URL? Nope. This one is cut off right after this P0, so I'm going to find that over here. I'm going to click after the slash and press Enter to move it down to the next line. And again, I'm going to highlight my text, in this case monkeys, make it bold, maybe underline it, just so it stands out from the rest. You don't have to do that, it just makes it look so much better. Repeat that for all 6 of your credits, and make sure that they fit not only going this way, but also going from top to bottom. So you might have to extend this box a little bit more, and you might have to change the font size. Once you have all of your credits, both horizontally and vertically, fitting in this box, then raise your hand and call me over.